Here's how to promote Clickbank products without a website, step by step, and start generating over $100 a day doing so. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. Also, don't forget to check the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to get started online. So in today's video guys, we're going to talk about how to get started promoting Clickbank products without the need for a website. Plus later in this video, I'm going to show you an amazing free traffic source that you can use where you won't have to create any content and yet be able to generate hundreds if not thousands of free traffic for your affiliate offer. So to get started, step #1 is to pick a product. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Clickbank. So since this video is about Clickbank, obviously we're going to go to Clickbank to do this. So you want to go to the marketplace, and then to the marketplace you will see this particular page here that is going to be shown to you. So there's two ways you're going to go and find products to promote. So you can either find products on the side here. So those are the different niches that you can find products to promote from. So for example, you got like the cooking, food and wine niche where you can find products in the recipe niche, the wine making, the special diet and so on. You've got the e-business and e-marketing niche where you can find products to promote in the affiliate marketing niche, in the blog niche, copywriting and so on. There's the very popular health and fitness niche where you can find diets and weight loss products to promote, meditation products to promote, and nutrition products, yoga products. So all kinds of different products from different niches. So if you already have like a specific niche in your mind that you want to go to, that you want to go after, then you can simply select that niche and find a product within that niche. Now, if you don't know which product to go for, or you don't really have a specific niche in your mind, and you just want to know what other products that are selling very well at the moment on Clickbank, then you can simply go to where it says find products, leave the search bar empty, and then just click on the search button. And what's going to happen now is Clickbank's going to show us a bunch of different products that are doing very well on the platform at the moment. So as you can see, the most popular product on Clickbank right now is this product here called Exipure, which is a weight loss product. As you can see, it has a gravity of 1185. So what the gravity score means, it is basically a measure of how popular a particular product is amongst affiliate on the platform. So this product has a gravity score of more than 1000. So it means that there are more than 1000 affiliates making money promoting this particular product. So this means that this product is extremely popular and is converting very, very well. So you can sort all those results by rank, you can sort by gravity, and you can sort by average conversion. So how much money you would make on average per sale. So for Exipure, you would make 147. You can sort results based on recurring. So which products will make you a recurring income, like every month, will pay you every month. So there are different things you can sort the results by. So some of the things you want to look at when picking a product is #1 is you want to look at the gravity score. This is a good measure of how popular the product is. You want to look at the average conversion, how much money you would make on average per sale. So you don't want to promote a product where you would only make like $5 or $10 because you want to get paid more than that. Some of the other things that you want to look at, maybe whether it has a recurring payment. So you might want to promote a product where you get paid more than once. This is totally optional to you. Some of the things that you might want to look into is also whether the product has an affiliate page. So an affiliate page is basically a specific page that the creator of the product has created for you, where he's providing you with a bunch of additional resources. So this can mean like he's providing you with email swipes, he's providing you with banners, images, photos, video testimonials, and demographic informations. So this is not absolutely necessary, but when picking a product, if they have an affiliate page, this is a really good thing because you have a bunch of resources that you can use when starting out with your affiliate marketing journey. So for the sake of example, in this video, let's say we wanted to go into the e-business and e-marketing niche, right? So basically what you would do is you would go to the sidebar here and simply select the e-business and e-marketing niche. And those are some of the products that are doing very well at the moment in this particular niche. So you can rank results by gravity, and it's going to show us which products has the highest gravity in here. So this product get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube has the highest gravity, 278. We can also sort by average conversion. So which products will pay us the most? So this product here, Millionaire Society, will pay you as an affiliate up to $1,300 per sale, but as you can see, it only has a gravity of 1.9. So there's only 1 or 2 affiliates out there that's making money promoting this. So this is not a highly converting product. There's also Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. You would get paid $866 per sale, and as you can see, it has a gravity of 11. So there's only 11 affiliates making money promoting this right now. So it is not hugely popular, but you can sort the results based on whatever you want. So let's say we sort this by gravity again. So this would be the best product to promote in this particular niche at the moment because it has a good gravity score and the average conversion is not bad at all, around $40 per sale. So you can pick this product. So once you've picked a particular product, you would simply click on promote, and then you would get your affiliate link that you can send traffic to. So once you've picked a product, step number 2 usually is going to be to build a landing page or a website. But since the title of this video is to do Clickbank without a website, we are going to skip this and go directly to driving traffic. So step number 2 is going to drive traffic. So there's a ton of different ways you can go about building traffic for your affiliate offer. There's a lot of really good platforms out there where you can drive traffic to your affiliate offer. There's Facebook, there's YouTube, there's Pinterest, there's TikTok, and I have a ton of videos on my channel where I talk in depth about the different kinds of free traffic that you can use for your affiliate offer. So I highly encourage you to go and look at some of my other videos as well. But in this video, what we're going to talk about is Instagram, and more precisely, Instagram theme pages. And if you don't know what Instagram theme pages are basically simple Instagram pages where you are creating content from other people. Okay, you're not creating any content yourself, you're just creating content from other pages. Obviously, when you do this, you need to give credit to the original poster. You can't just take their content. In some cases, you might even have to message them. But basically, the whole premise of Instagram theme pages is to curate content from other pages, and ideally you want to create viral content, because when you create viral content, those content will go viral on your page as well, which will bring in a ton of traffic for your page, which will allow you to grow your account and gain more followers very quickly. So theme pages is a very good way of building free traffic very quickly for your affiliate offer. So for example, if you check this particular page here, finance_millennial, they have close to 700,000 followers. And basically this is exactly what they do. They are like a theme page where they curate content from other pages. And every time they do that, obviously they give credit to the original poster. As you can see, video critic at British Vogue. So you should always give credit to the original poster when reposting other people's content. As you can see for this one, via at Business Growth Mentor. Let's look at this one. This one, you can see this one credit from at Billionaire Scott. So every content that he has on his page, he's always giving credit to the original poster. And this is something that you always want to do when doing theme pages. But the great advantage with this is that you don't have to create any content. You're just creating content and growing your page like that. And as you can see, he has grown his page to close to 700,000 followers by doing this. So this is something similar that you can do as well. So you would build a theme page in whichever niche you want, and then use that traffic to make sales, make affiliate sales. So let's say you build a page similar to this one in the business niche. Remember, we picked a product earlier on Clickbank that had a gravity score of 278. So let's say you build a page similar to this. You can then have your affiliate link or your link in here, and that's how you would drive traffic to your affiliate offer and start generating affiliate sales very relatively quickly. The idea with theme pages is that you want to post a lot of content, because as I've just said, you're not creating any pieces of content, you're just creating content. So since you're just creating content, you should be able to post a ton of content. And when I mean by a ton, I mean like 5 or 6, if not even more, every single day. And by doing this, you increase your chances of one of those content going viral on your page, which will grow your account a lot quicker. Here are some other examples of theme pages to prove to you that this really works if you take this seriously. So as you can see, this page here, Dogs Lovers, and they got like close to 7 million followers, and this is exactly what they do as well, where they just curate content from other pages. They are like a theme page for the dog niche, and some of those content I reckon are from themselves, but some of those content, as you can see, are being reposted from other accounts. As you can see, reposted from this particular person here, and they're giving him credit for it. And so this is exactly what you want to do, and this is a page, a theme page in the dog niche. Here's another one in the nurse niche, 500,000 followers, where they create content around nurses. Here's another one in the engineering niche. As you can see, they repost a lot of content that would be of huge interest to engineers. They got close to over 400,000 followers that they have here on this particular page. There you go, guys. I hope you liked this video on how to promote Clickbank products without a website, step by step. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a subscribe as well, as I post valuable content like those every single day. Don't forget to check the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to get started online. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.